Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're looking at what just might be the best air freshener vent clip car accessory you can get right now. Say goodbye to dull, disposable cardboard air fresheners. We're diving into the sleek, functional, and fully customizable EORRZZY 2-packs. Custom car air freshener diffuser vent clips. A product designed not just to freshen your car, but to elevate your driving experience. Let's start with what comes in the box. You get 2 black cylindrical diffuser vent clips along with 12 unscented cotton sticks. The moment you open the package, you'll notice the quality of the materials: smooth finish, modern design, and lightweight yet sturdy construction. These aren't just functional, they add a subtle touch of sophistication to any car interior. Now, here's the real kicker: these air fresheners are entirely customizable. They don't come with any essential oils or synthetic fragrances. Instead, you simply drop your own favorite essential oil or perfume onto the cotton refill stick, insert it into the diffuser, and clip it onto your car's air vent. This means you're in full control over what scent you breathe in. No more generic pine or new car smell, unless you want it. The diffuser design is also very smart. It features a unique rotating mechanism that lets you control how much aroma is released. Rotate the top to open or close the diffuser holes depending on how intense you want the scent. The installation takes seconds. Thanks to the silicone-wrapped clip, you won't scratch your car's vent, and it clamps on firmly so it won't rattle or fall out when you hit bumps or drive on rough roads. It fits universally on most car vents, vertical or horizontal, and you can even use it beyond the car, in your office, bathroom, kitchen, bedroom, or even a pet's room. Anywhere you want a subtle, customizable scent solution, this vent clip can go. And let's talk design. This isn't your average clip-on. The long cylindrical shape gives it a modern, minimal look, almost like a piece of tech gear rather than a traditional air freshener. It doesn't scream for attention but still stands out enough to feel premium. With 12 included cotton refill sticks, you can try out different essential oils or perfumes without cross-contamination. Use one for citrus, another for peppermint, maybe a third for calming eucalyptus. You're not locked into one scent or one type of use. This product doesn't just check the boxes. It gives you freedom, control, and aesthetics, all in one compact device. Whether you're commuting every day, going on road trips, or just want your car to smell fresh and clean, the EORRZZY diffuser vent clips are an excellent choice. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you want a vent clip that looks good, works well, and gives you full control over your aromatherapy experience, this is it. Don't forget to subscribe, drop a like, and let us know what scent you'd use in your diffuser. Until next time, keep your drive fresh and your ride stylish.